Discover the 3 most common ways to say, I love you, in Japanese. Do you want to impress your significant other, friends, or family members in Japan? Do you want to express your love and affection in a meaningful way? Then look no further. In this video, we'll be exploring the 3 most common ways to say, I love you, in Japanese. Whether you're in a romantic relationship or just want to show your love to someone special, this video is for you. Love is a universal language, and it is no different in Japan. While the language may be different, the feeling of love is the same. And there are many ways to express it in Japanese. In this article, we'll take a look at the 3 most common ways to say, I love you, in Japanese. From the formal and intimate, Aishiteru, to the more casual, Suki desu, and Daisuki desu. We'll take a closer look at each of these phrases and explain how they're used. So, if you're ready to learn how to express love and affection in Japanese, please watch till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful and informative videos on the Japanese language and culture. And, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Let's dive into a more detailed explanation of each of these 3 phrases. 1. Aishiteru. Aishiteru is considered the most serious and formal way to express love in Japanese. It is used exclusively between romantic partners and should not be used lightly. When using this phrase, it is important to have a deep and meaningful relationship with the person you are expressing your love to. It is considered a very intimate and meaningful expression of love. It is most common way to express love in Japanese is Aishiteru. This is the equivalent of I love you in English and is used between romantic partners. It is considered to be a serious expression of love and should only be used between people who have a deep and meaningful relationship. 2. Suki desu. Another way to express love in Japanese is Suki desu. This phrase is used to express a strong affection or liking for someone. It is less serious than Aishiteru and can be used between friends or family members. This phrase is often used in a more casual context and can also be used to express fondness for objects or activities. Suki desu is a less serious expression of love and is used to express affection or liking for someone. This phrase is often used between friends or family members and is considered a more casual expression of love. It is not as intimate as Aishiteru, but it still conveys strong feelings of affection. 3. Daisuki desu. The 3rd most common way to express love in Japanese is Daisuki desu. This phrase is similar to Suki desu, but it adds emphasis to the affection or liking. It can be translated as, I really like you, or, I am fond of you. This phrase is also used in a more casual context and can be used between friends or family members. Daisuki desu is a more emphasis version of Suki desu, and is used to express a strong affection or liking for someone. This phrase is also used in a more casual context, but it conveys a higher level of affection than Suki desu. This phrase can be used between friends or family members, and it is a great way to show someone that you really like or appreciate them. In addition to these 3 phrases, there are also other ways to express love and affection in Japanese, such as kimi wo aishiteru, which is a more personal and intimate way to express love. Another expression is daisuki da, which is a more casual and informal way to express love. Regardless of which phrase you choose, expressing love and affection in Japanese is a great way to connect with people and show them how much they mean to you. In conclusion, these are the 3 most common ways to express love in Japanese. Whether it's between romantic partners, friends, or family members, it's important to choose the right phrase to show the depth of your feelings. So, next time you find yourself in Japan, show your love and affection with one of these 3 phrases. And your love will surely be felt. Take action now and express your love in Japanese. Now that you've watched our video on the 3 most common ways to say, I love you, in Japanese, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Whether you're in a romantic relationship or just want to show your love and affection to someone special, using these phrases is a great way to connect and express your feelings. So, take a moment to practice saying each of these phrases and get comfortable with using them. And, don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's how you learn and grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who may be interested in learning about the Japanese language and culture. And, if you want to keep learning and improving your Japanese skills, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and helpful videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.